Hi, I'm Durangela Bobette with Two Prince Bakery Theater, and today I am here to show you how to make peppermint bark using white chocolate. The ingredients you will need are white chocolate bars. They usually come in 4-ounce packages, and some peppermint sticks. I usually like to have about 4 peppermint sticks per chocolate bar. Each chocolate bar is 4 ounces, like I said, so it kind of matches up nicely as far as the ratio goes for that. The first thing you're going to want to do is to chop your chocolate bar. So you're going to chop it into small pieces because you're going to be tempering the chocolate, which is to slowly melt it in the microwave. So you want to get it into some nice small pieces so it'll make it easier to melt. In order to temper the chocolate in the microwave, we need to melt it at half the power of the microwave. So you would go to power on your microwave setting and put 50, which means 50%. So you don't have the high heat because it will melt the chocolate. And we're going to do it in 30-second increments until we get the consistency we want. So you're going to put it in for 30 seconds at half power, open the microwave, stir the chocolate and check it, and put it in for 30 more seconds until you get what you want. So let's go to the microwave. At this point, I would take it out of the microwave and check out the consistency. And you know what? It's looking pretty good. I don't think I need another 30 seconds. I'm going to put it in for 20 more seconds, just not to burn it. So let's put it back in for 20 seconds. Take it out. Now I've reached nice creamy consistency, and it's soluble enough that I can get it on my cookie sheet. So this is perfect. Let's go spread it on the cookie sheet. And now we're ready to spread our white chocolate onto our cookie sheet. What I have done here is I have lined a regular cookie sheet, or you could use this actually as a jelly roll, but it could be a cookie sheet or a jelly roll, with white parchment paper. And what white parchment paper does is it keeps whatever you put on it, whether it's cookies or candy, from sticking to the pan, without you having to scrub the pan, and you could easily get whatever off. It will come in a roll like this, and you can get it at any supermarket or baking store. All right, so now we have our parchment paper lined cookie sheet, and we're going to get the chocolate and spread it out like so. No science to this, just spread it out however you want to spread it out. And obviously, we have a large area we could work with here. We only made 8 ounces of chocolate, so obviously it's not going to be like a ton. Now we're ready to spread the chocolate. Just very smoothly with your spatula, spoon, spread the chocolate out. Not too thin because you don't want it to be, too flat in some areas. And now it's time to pound on the peppermints. You just want to get some good little chunks going, not too big, because obviously you want it to incorporate nicely into the chocolate. And it's going to be sitting right on top of the chocolate, and if it's too chunky, you're going to get big pieces. You want to kind of break it up a little bit. Now we're ready to sprinkle our peppermint onto the white melted chocolate. Again, you don't have to stress out about this. Just put it in however you like, just to try to get a nice, even amount of peppermint distributed. Now we're going to put the melted chocolate with the peppermints that has been put on the parchment paper lined cookie sheet into the refrigerator, and we're going to let it harden for an hour. Our peppermint bark using white chocolate is nice and hardened now. We left it in the refrigerator for about an hour, and now we're ready to cut it into pieces